Man, am I gonna speak over that siren? I'll come back in a half an hour when it's silent. It's showtime! I figure I'd put the camera on the bike handlebars so I could be hands-free and talk to you. Now I got a microphone on so I don't gotta yell, but maybe the wind will still hit it. I don't know. But I'm flying! I'm flying! Man, never had such trouble with the front screen. I didn't know I had to be so close to the lens and swipe for the ultra wide, wide, and de-warp. I was swiping in the middle, nothing was happening. I'm trying to figure it out. I just don't know. I haven't been on a long bike ride in a long time. And I thought the weather is starting to change, getting nicer, but it's still brisk and cold that I need a pair of gloves on my hands and all. And yeah, they're not drone gloves. I can make fingerless gloves heated. It's still waiting upon my exchange. And it ain't happening anytime soon, DJI. Why is it taking so long? Well, you know, I got a lot of things taken care of step by step. And I don't love my Windows PC anymore. Every 2 weeks, I have to always choose a setting for your camera to put in a location. It's like every time you put a new device in, that's what I get again. My mic may go out, but I got my camera on to never. I don't have it on to never fish. It shuts off in 5 minutes. They never put never on for you. So yeah, the auto power off gotta be left alone. And pick the one you want, as long as it's not never. I've been thinking since I got on this bike. I was saying last night, maybe I should just go get a better bike, get rid of these two, maybe make it a hybrid. I'm not sure, but let me get across before it's too late. I'm squeaking. That's who I am, the squeaker! Well, they're doing something with the trees. They're protecting it. You see how far they got down with the pylons and the new pier? They didn't get that far. Takes them forever. Oh, we'll just give it a little ride around the bay. Oh yeah, feed. Must be from Scotland, wearing a kilt. Don't you like the Action 4 on a little boardwalk? Smooth as molasses. Oh yeah. How far can we go without pedaling? Woohoo! My voice must travel. I must be the one that can't hear it all. Didn't go that far. My other bike could go a lot further than this. I might as well pedal. What happened, Fish? Why'd you go down like that? I gotta crank this motovlog thing. You know, it just slips and slides with a gram or two of weight. At least you get to look at the nice clear blue weather sky we're having. I lost my hanky. I can't wipe my nose anymore. Oh man, the president's leaving town. Quickly. That's the president's plane. I'll tell you, Give a kid a camera. I don't know if they're even going to use it. They just look at it. Give an adult a camera. They go haywire with it. Haywire. I'm going to head down towards the waters because it's such a beautiful day. I'm going to strip down to the skinnies. And go for a dunk. No, not me. Maybe you would in your neck of the woods. I watched the gentleman. He didn't want to be on film, so he slid between the bus stops. The camera's filming me. It wasn't filming that way. I can't stand just switching back and forth. There used to be a swivel. And the swivel used to be able to, flip a switch 180. That's what it used to do. Man, I have to manually turn it each and every single time. That's the NYPD going on the water. They're flying on a nice, smooth, slack tide. Oh yeah, what a day it is. Pull to the side and have a talk. Now what's happening over there? The guy's got a stick, something in his hand, a tripod on the floor. He's doing something. Look around. I don't see anything but airplanes. Got somebody behind me, and they got their little white tripod and their stuff, and they're gonna do their vlog. You got the guy over there, and he's just standing there with something. What a beautiful day just to be out and about and do your things. Oh yeah, I got a lot happening, a lot going. I'll tell you my settings right now. I'm in 4K 24. I had Pro on. I swear I turned that bad boy off. I'm using an external Olorotech microphone and try to get some nice shots. And I'm waiting for the DJI Mic 2 to get back to me. I'm just out of the scene with it. So I could just simply turn it on, turn it off when I need it to be. Oh yeah, what more can I say? Get on out there, get a little bit of exercise. And I've been doing that lately, taking walks in the morning. It's getting lighter so I could get back on the bike. Definitely want to maybe look for the aluminum parkside SC. Huffy, get with me. I'll advertise, I'll sponsor, I'll do that bike on my channel for you. I have my Huffy, 2019, 5 years already. Man, I like the bike, got a new tire. I hate the back tire. It doesn't have any tread on it. I like tread on a tire so I can ride. Put the camera back on the tripod and I change it back to the warp standard. Maybe DJI, you could give us a little bit more than the warp, so I don't gotta look like this so far away, but I want to be like this, close up. I don't mind holding the camera close to my face in the warp to get a good shot. Let's get on out while I see an exit. I had my fun, my exercise and all. Kid playing in the sand, guy exercising. People sitting and enjoying the beautiful sunny day. You ever get down like on A1A, and you're riding along and you're passing those houses? That's what this reminds me of, right here. Just these number of houses. Oh yeah, man, it brings back memories. Oh yeah, the days of riding. I like a quiet neighborhood, less traffic noise. Just listen. Before I put you away, I'm gonna say, which did you like better? the camera on the bike handlebars or in my hand. And on that note, I know who I am. I'm Fish, and I'll catch you on many others. Time to go riding and put you away.